This is a tutorial video for the fastest water dispenser. So this is the circuit. So there is nothing much complicated. I have added only two relays to. So these two are to control these valves, water valves, input and output, and these two are to control these solenoids to control the cylinders. I already shown you this cylinder which works as how it works as a water gun but with hands. So we don't want to do it with hands, so we'll add one another cylinder along with him. We'll clamp the both cylinders rods together, so when one cylinder which will work on air will go open, this will go also open, and when it closes it also closes. So that air cylinder will work on these pneumatic walls. So these are 5 by 2 pneumatic walls, 24 volts. So what these do is just control this cylinder. So if you push, there is a button. They also work on 24 volts. If you give 24 volts, it will open the cylinder, and if you don't, then it will close. So you can do that with that button also. There is a little button here, if you can see. Yeah, this one. So if you push it, it will open the cylinder. So it is for the manual testing only. And these are the solenoid valves to control the flow of the water. So when we are when we are opening the cylinder, so we want to suck the water. So we will connect the one valve to the water connection. When open the valve, when cylinder are going up, so we'll suck the water, and another solenoid will be there. When cylinder are closing, we'll open this one and close another one, so we'll get the water out. After a few testing, you don't need these, so you can have two one-way valves. So one is connecting to water and another is for out, so that will work also. So when sucking, one valve will be off and water inlet valve will be on automatically, and when it's pushing, automatically water inlet valve will be closed, and another valve will be out, so you'll get the water. So you don't need this actually. So that's why you don't need these circuits also. You can do it by the simple switch, but this is whole automation things. You can see here, this one was the last prototype you must have seen in the video. So I have used the 3 cylinders here. You can see, as I explained before, this one will be guide cylinder. So this one be the guide cylinder which will be controlled by air, and this one is the cylinder which will suck and dispense the water. You can see here there is a pipe outlet and we have connected nothing here. So this will just suck and dispense the water along with it. And this cylinder will what it will do is just pull whole thing up and down, like dip it in water from up and down. So that's the only purpose of it. So this will be also controlled with the air, and I have attached the rope here, and I have attached that on wall with the nail. So the connection will be like 3:1. So 3 cylinders will be for use for the water, sucking water and dispensing, and 2 will be used for use with air to control other 3. And this is the plate I have attached to all the rods. I have removed this one. I have removed the other connections, but I'll just explain. Like, these two will be connected together, these points and these points, and then those 2 points will be connected to these solenoids, so we can control them. And there will be this, and I have added in video, you can see I have added one right here and one is right here. So we are sucking water from one side and disposing it from another side. So you don't need these actually. You can use the one wall and solve the problem. I accidentally discovered that when my solenoid was off and it was still working.
Hey Prabhu, dekha de, pure tonka de. Hey Prabhu, dekha de, pure tonka de.